guys, welcome back to our channel. Before you get started, click subscribe and turn on notifications and hit the thumbs up. We're going to be making cupcakes today, so hope you like this video. First we need cake mix. We also need 3 cracked eggs. We also need some butter. We're also going to need 1 cup of water, guys. Now we're going to need to put all the ingredients in the bowl. It smells like ice cream. Whoop. Now we're going to put the water in the bowl. Let's add some butter. The only thing we have left is the egg now. Let's add it. Now we're mixing the cake mix together.
What are you using?
It's called a hand mixer. Hey guys, make sure you do this with the parent. Never do this stuff by yourself.
That's right. Let's get back to mixing.
If you're a grown-up, you can.
Yeah, if you're a grown-up.
If you're a kid, if you're an adult.
Yeah, if you're an adult. That's great. Let's get back to it.
Yeah.
Mia, grab it. All right. Cut it back on. Only one. Don't drop the bowl.
Satisfying.
So now we got to scrape the bowl.
Now you got to put your cupcakes mix in your cupcake pan. Don't forget to use the cupcake liners.
Say that again.
Don't forget to use the cupcake liners. That one.
Scoop it. Shake it out. Shake it out.
That help. With the help of our Father, we put the cupcakes in the oven.
Why you got cupcake mix all over your face?
Because she's eating cupcake mix.
Why are you eating cupcake mix?
Because it's good.
It's good. What kind of cupcakes did we use? Show us the box.
This doesn't matter. It's just an inside.
Say that again?
The chocolate doesn't matter. It's just an inside.
Okay. So we used the butter recipe yellow cake mix. Is it good though?
No.
Was it hard?
No. Yes.
It was hard?
Yes, because I wasted powder.
You raced the flour?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Stop eating that. That's got raw eggs in it.
Whenever you're cooking, remember to clean up your mess. They're rising, guys.
What?
It's so cool.
What's cool?
They're rising. Now that our cupcakes look fat.
They are done, huh?
And they're done.
Yep.
And we're gonna let them cool off.
That's the
Which
hard
is
part.
the hard part. But they look like brown and burnt.
They look burnt?
They look a little burnt, but they look brown. They look brown. Look at that one. Look.
Well, they gotta cook till they're done. I don't think they look burnt. They look good. That's right there. That's the color. That's the blue and the cupcake on
I see the red. I see the red one.
Okay, so now y'all just gotta wait to see how they taste, right?
How long is it gonna be?
About 3 days.
Maggie! We're gonna put the icing on and the toppings. We choose toppings from the store. And we all got different ones. And they're cool.
What kind of icing?
Vanilla, you know my favorite. No, you know my favorite.
All right, let's get to it.
I'm messy. They look good. And taste good, hopefully. How's the cupcake? How's the cupcake?
My cupcake is delicious. All right, it's taste time. Let's taste these cakes. These cupcakes, Skittle cakes.
Skittle cakes and cupcakes.
Sour punch straw cakes.